Hey guys, I'm showing this Yoobure nightstand. It's a LED nightstand with a charging station. So let's see, we got this and to assemble and show. So we can just assemble this and show everything to you. So it's have a charging station. You can use it at a bedside table with a four fabric storage drawers and a storage shelf. So I'm just doing the unboxing first so you know what everything is included. These are the fabric shelf and I show the assembly later on. So this also have the end table with the USB ports and the outlets, and it's a tall dresser for the bedroom as well. So here of course like you can use it anywhere you want where you think it's better use for the space. And these are all the material. This is the power outlet with the two power outlet to USB. This is the toolbox with all the screws and everything. The tools are provided in here, as you can see, screwdriver and all the anchor keys. The screws are all numbered, so it's pretty easy to install. This also have this LED thing where you can control this through the remote or the app, and you can see it later on with the light effect. So these are the assembly stuff, all the materials, everything is marked, and then you can use it and assemble it the way you want. So as you can see that it provides the numbers here, and you can see those numbers on all these individual items, and then the screw numbers and everything is on the top. So you know that how many screws, what numbers, what set you need to put this on. So totally it can hold up to 60 lbs, but it's better to be in a good one. So this is all metal, so should be able to hold. And these are the things that you have to join together. So I'm just joining one by one, and that you can see. So all these are numbers. So let's start assembling this. I may do a little bit fast process here so that I can save some time on the video, but the main step I will show. So we can assemble, and for the LED light, when I join at the end, this is also have a music sync function, that if the music is on, the light will sync with the music. So it's a very nice thing, fun for your bedroom or any other living room and stuff. So these are the fabric drawer, and installation is or assembly is pretty straightforward. So just open this, put this block in the bottom. The handles are provided and the screws are provided. So just use these handles and put it there. So wooden handle, this is the LED light. So it's a double-sided tape. So be careful, just to take this plastic out, and you can put it or stick it in the way you want. Like some people put it, straight, some diagonal. Then you can use this USB this thing here, and this the power outlet stuff. So here is the light effect that you can see. I added in the power. Very nice four drawers. It looks like a wooden drawer where it's a fabric drawer, and looks is really good and handy. It's a tall dresser with this LED light function, and you can of course use this remote that comes with it or the app, and you can also sync it with the music along with your speakers or anything. If the speaker is on, the light will fluctuate based on the beats from the music. So as I mentioned, the remote is also provided. You can change the light, you can change the tone, you can change like the things you want. So it's pretty nice design, well maintained with this LED lights, with the app, fabric drawers, top, wooden board, and nice things with outlet stuff.